In this proClip for Helios AIR1, we will show you the basics of programming the timer with the touch control element. We recommend that you note the operating times and operating levels before programming. To do so, use the Timer Programming Guide form, which can be found on our website. Please follow the link in the video description. You are now in the main menu. Call up the Timer Programming menu. We will show you how to program the timer using an example for Monday. The first step is to program the start time 7 hours and the stop time 18 hours for period 1 at the normal operating level. Start with the stop time. Then call up the reduced operating level and program the start time 0 hours and the stop time 7 hours for period 1, as well as 18 and 24 hours for period 2. Start by programming the stop time. The programming for our example is already complete. Please note, if no other day is programmed, the ventilation will be in standby mode from Tuesday 0 hours to Sunday 24 hours. It is therefore important to program all days on which the ventilation unit should operate. The programming procedure is always the same. The touch control element has a convenient copy function. Select the Copy menu to use this function. First, select the day that you wish to copy, and then define the days to which the programming should be transferred. Now press the Copy button to start the copying process and wait a few seconds until the transfer is complete. In the next steps, you will receive advice on how to program with air quality sensors or a recirculation damper, and how to create a holiday calendar. Timer VOD. The timer VOD must be programmed for the automatic operation of the unit using sensors. If there are no specific requirements for system operation, we recommend programming timer VOD for every day from 0 to 24 hours in period 1. The timer VOD menu is only available if air quality sensors have been installed and activated during commissioning. Timer recirculation. If the ventilation unit has a recirculation damper, the recirculation mode must be activated using the timer. Programming takes place on the same principle as the manual operating levels. Creating a holiday calendar. First, define the operating level and time periods at which the unit should run on a holiday in the holiday menu. Then define the holidays in the holiday calendar menu using an annual calendar. To do this, select the month and then tap on the days which you wish to mark as holidays. Save your selection by pressing the Save button. This completes the timer programming. More information on Helios AIR1 can be found on our YouTube channel and heliosAIR1.com.